Meaning of degenerative.
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 Degenerative. The term degenerative refers to a gradual worsening of a condition or state, often leading to a decline in function or quality. In medical contexts, it is commonly used to describe diseases or conditions that cause the breakdown or deterioration of specific parts of the body over time, such as Alzheimer's disease, osteoarthritis, or degenerative disc disease. This process can result in symptoms such as pain, weakness, and loss of mobility or cognitive function. Unfortunately, many degenerative conditions are currently incurable and can have a significant impact on an individual's quality of life.